I have the Rabbit R1 and I'll be showing you how to turn mobile data, also called cellular data, on or off. So this is basically the data from the SIM card of your Rabbit R1. So wake up the screen and give your Rabbit a good shake to get into settings, and then scroll down to network, select that, and then you should see cellular. And currently, as you can see, cellular data is turned on. If I want to turn that off, all I need to do is make sure that is selected and then press that, and that's going to turn off cellular data. To turn it back on, just select it and you can see the switch moving left and right every time I switch off and I switch on. Okay, so that's on. Cellular data is on, which means even if there's no Wi-Fi or I'm out of Wi-Fi proximity, the Rabbit will use cellular data to answer my questions and to connect to the internet. So that's basically how to turn that on or off. Once you turn it on or off, you can scroll up, select settings, up again all the way, select home, and you're back to the home screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.